Hey everyone, my name is Shah, and today we're going to be talking about staking and specifically on Kucoin, how I believe Kucoin is one of the best platforms to stake on and how you can earn ridiculous amount of interest. It's very simple, anyone can do it, so let's get started. All right, everyone, we're in Kucoin and we are looking at Pool X staking. What is staking? Staking is when you can earn rewards by staking your coin into the circulation. For example, it used to be proof of work versus proof of stake. People used to use computers kind of with what they're doing with Ethereum. Now we're talking about proof of stake, but just for everyone listening, it's just an easy way to earn interest on your crypto. And there are different rules and different settings for each. If you come onto KuCoin and you go into Pool X, you'll see a lot of different coins have different percentages. We'll see Hydra has 185.56% annual yield. You can stake now and your redemption period would be in 1 day and you only need to stake 10 Hydra. But then you see here that our redemption day is 21 days. So you have to wait 21 days. Luna has been doing absolutely amazing in crypto land, and it is in the top 20 now. As we can see, you can stake Polkadot for 11.49%. You can stake it for 12% on Kraken. You can also stake Kusama for 12% on Kraken. Tron at 7.56%. And you can see there's some crazy interest rates like Velo staking. I haven't looked into Velo, but 52.56%. If you guys are staking Velo, comment below. Atom is 8.41%. And as you can see, these staking pools fill up. So it is almost filled, guys. So if you have Velo, definitely try to stake it now. Orion staking 20.84%, and you can still stake it, so it's still going on. What the heck? KuCoin only 1.13%. This is your own website. It looks like it's in beta. 25.56%. Guys, is this unbelievable or what? Put all your money into one coin and earn this type of interest. I'm not saying that's the strategy, but you don't see these type of interest rates anywhere in the world. You don't see this type of gains anywhere in traditional type of banking or any economy, but crypto is offering us ridiculous APY. It's absolutely ridiculous. We're talking about 13.44. Come on, Link, you got to step it up. 1.15. Zilliqa at 11.57. B-Pro, guys, we are very bullish on B-Pro. Buy some B-Pro. We told people to stake their B-Pro on KuCoin, but look, it is filled. It is filled, can no longer stake your B-Pro. So for those of you who've been commenting in the last videos, B-Pro is full. So you have to be quick to these things or you'll miss them. Yeah, as you can see, these two just got full. What do you know? Cody, absolutely full. 90-day and 30-day staking. Both of them full. This is a little hidden gem, Chromia, and you're getting 25.86%. That's amazing. We got Algorand. A lot of people bullish on Algorand. 12.15%. So if you're staking Algorand on Coinbase and getting 6%, well, you can get double right here. Guys, everyone has to do their due diligence. There's all these coins, and one of my favorite places to stake is KuCoin because they're like the launching pad for coins before they go on to Uniswap or before they go on to Binance. So I find it very, very valuable to stake on KuCoin. And as you can see, these things fill up. So stake as soon as possible. Why wouldn't you get extra money on your money? All right, but definitely look into the terms, see when you can get your money back. So it would take 3 days until it's back into my account. 14 days for Link. Like, why would I stake Link for 1.15% for me not to have my Link for 2 weeks? This doesn't make sense to me right there. But there are a lot of good options. And yeah, guys, this is KuCoin Pool X, and it's for staking. And we wish we could stake our Cody, but it's filled all the way. And Cody is a great project. Cody, Orion, Chromia, um, B Pro, absolutely excellent project. Zilliqa, of course, excellent. We don't even have to say Link, but as far as staking, don't stake here. That is pathetic. But yeah, guys, that is how you stake on KuCoin. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Let me know what you think of these how-to videos. I want to teach people how to maximize their money. We're in the middle of a bull run, and a lot of people don't even understand what proof of stake is or proof of work is. And if you have any questions, please comment below. But guys, as always, thank you for sharing your time with me. If you haven't, click the bell button to get this information. Smash that like button so more people can learn about staking, and comment below what you think. Where do you stake? Do you self-stake your coins? If you do have a coin, it's always good to self-stake, you know? You can always stake Elron on the Elron app Meyer, you know, like, so you tell me how you're staking. What's your best strategy? Or do you not stake? You know, do you put, are you farming? Are you staking? Or are you just hodling? Comment below. But yeah, guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more important than your time except your money. And I'll see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.